Good morning, everybody. I'm here to talk to you guys about a very important matter that has been bothering me for a long time. So guys, please share this video, join in. I'm live on KO Family Program and KO Family Fans at the moment. So please join in, share this video. This is a very important message I want to talk about. I have this message to whoever it may concern. So guys, please join in. Share this video, guys. Let it reach the people who it concerns. And let them listen to my voice. So guys, you all know that my mother is a very hardworking woman. She's a very strong woman, indeed. You all know. You all see it. You all see her spirit. And you guys know that she is a very wonderful person by heart. So, there's a lot of things that my mom has gone through. And she survived it. She survived all those things. Raising us by herself most of the time. She has gone through hell, guys. So, I'm here to talk about this because it hurts me to hear all those rumors that have been spread. She's a wonderful soul and she doesn't deserve all that she's been thrown at. All those rumors, all those false allegations. Nobody does. Especially when you are a good person by heart and people just misuse that fact and changing stories, making you seem like the villain, making you seem like the bad person. My mom came here a long time ago. She did all the things to bring us a good life. Starting off with going to German course. She took German course, first things first. She looked for an apartment to start living here. She didn't waste time. She went to do her driver's license. She went to do school. She learned nursing. Everything. She didn't waste time at all. Going there, wasting time there. She decided to take her leg on her head and do everything she has to do to give her children a good life. And still, people are talking a lot of nonsense, spreading false information about my mother, spreading false rumors about her. Do you think a person who has experienced a lot of things, how would you feel if you were thrown a lot of rumors at? How would you feel? I'm talking to the people who it might concern. If you know you are one of those people who are spreading false rumors about my mother, then please overthink it. Let this message change your mind about my mother, because I know for a fact that she is the strongest woman I know. There is nobody stronger, nobody more hardworking, nobody more intelligent than my mother in my eyes. You guys can think what you want, but I know for a fact that my mother doesn't deserve this what she's thrown at. She's been accused of killing my father. And I've been hearing it. I've been keeping quiet for a very long time, guys. And it's hurting my heart. To hear that my mother is being accused of such thing, a lot of things. It's not her fault my father died. It's God's will. It's not her fault at all. Just because she came to this country from somewhere else, married a white man. You guys think, some of you think she killed him, she stole his money, she used him for documents. This house, guys, that you are seeing, this beautiful house that you are seeing every time we are on live video, has nothing to do with my father. My father died almost 11 years ago now. And this house is new, built 6 years ago. How can you guys accuse her of killing my father and stealing all his property, inheritance. She's a hardworking woman. Just because she's black doesn't mean she cannot do anything by herself. Some of you think black people who come from Nigeria to Europe, all of them, they're just doing what everybody else is doing. Some people, they're trying to go far. They're trying to go places. They're trying to use their time, use their how do you say? They use the opportunity that they have in Europe to come from Nigeria to Europe. Is not easy, guys. You all know. Everybody who lives in Europe, in America, in Asia, whatsoever, you guys know that it's not easy to come to a foreign country and start a life. My mother started her life. She didn't waste any time. She learned the language. She succeeded. She did driver's license with all the other troubles she had on the side. It was not easy. It was not a piece of cake for her. Just because she's now here succeeding doesn't mean she didn't have obstacles on the way. Not everybody who is successful is dealing with the devil. Not everybody is drinking dead body water. I don't know where people hear, how people get the idea of those rumors. How can your brain even work that way? Can you not be happy for somebody and see the person as a role model? I want to be like this person. I want to succeed. How did she do that? How did she succeed? How did she get this far? Not she used dead body water to bath. She go and sell her soul. She go and kill her white husband, inherited everything, and is just pretending like she did it on her own. She did it on her own. By herself. Nobody helped her. Nobody assisted her. People ran away from her. Everybody distanced themselves from her. She was all alone, going through hell, and still walking on the way to heaven. She's one of the best people I know. There's nobody who is as brave, as strong as my mother, in my eyes, guys. And I know the truth. All those people that are talking bad things about her, who are spreading rumors that are not true, are you even listening to yourself? How can you take yourself seriously talking about a person when you know it's not true? How can you feel powerful after that? Are you satisfied trying to ruin a person's life, the life that they were building by themselves with their own hands? Nobody assisted my mother. Don't you feel ashamed? Don't you feel embarrassed for trying to ruin a successful person's life with things that are not true? And you know, talking bad things about people is not going to help you in life. There's nothing you gain from spreading rumors and trying to ruin people's lives. There's nothing you gain. If you're a grown woman, if you're a grown man, talking about people, knowing it's not true, and you have children, for example, how do you feel? My mother has children. Everything you guys are throwing at her is going to come back to us. We didn't do anything to you. Neither did my mother. So why are you doing this to us? Even ruining our own lives. But I don't know you. You don't know me. You don't know my mother. You only see her on life. And you think all this, she inherited it. She stole it. Because she's higher than other people. Maybe when you see my mother, you should think, wow, this woman really succeeded in life. I want to be like her. Not I want to bring her down so she's on the same level as me. I want to be like her. I want to be her friend. I want to see how she did this. I want to be on top as well. I don't want to be down. I want to be on top. No, you guys want her to fall to your level and even lower. Why? Why? My mother was blessed by God. She has something about her, and you guys see it. I'm sure you guys see it. When she talks here, she's spreading messages. She's sharing love. She's teaching. She's a teacher. Why are you guys taking all that for granted and just spreading rumors? She's trying to help everybody. She's doing her best to teach you guys, to show you guys the way she went. And she's hoping for you guys to have an easier way than she had. Her life was not easy. It was never easy. Life is never easy, guys. You should know that having something, success, anything, comes with hard work. So why don't you also grab your legs, throw them over your head, and also work hard for your own success, for your own life. Make yourself a life. Get a life. Don't sit down on life thinking you are a big woman, you are a big man, thinking you are big, and talking nonsense about somebody just so you are on top, even though the person doesn't have anything to do with what you're saying. She didn't do any of those things. But you guys want to sit big. You all want to sit big and talk, yeah, yes, she killed her husband, that is why she is successful. She's selling I don't know what, body parts of human beings. That is why she's successful. She's doing money ritual. That's why she's successful. It cannot be that she'd use her own hands and her own brain to work for herself. There's no way, no way a human being can get that far by herself. Of course not. Why would she? She'll go and go and swim in that body water so she's successful, right? Is that what you guys do to get successful? If that's what you do, then you do it. Everybody do it by yourself. But leave my mother out of it. Because I know I'm saying this now so you guys know and stop that nonsense. Because it's not funny. Saying she killed my father. Do you know how that feels? In my brain, it sounds... I don't know. It's really bothering me. I hope you guys see how it troubles me that some of you think everything is by killing, everything is by sinning. Some people, they just try to figure their life out and do what they have to do to get that far. So please, learn it. Stop being jealous. Stop envying. God has his own plan for you. I'm trying to take after my mother. And I am taking after my mother. I will be as powerful and strong and intelligent and brave as my mother. Even though I think nobody can be as brave as her. If you know what she has been through, not even I can imagine it. If you know what she has been through, you would think of giving up. In your mind, you think of giving up, but she's strong. She's strong. God is on her side because she doesn't do anybody wrong. So I think what you should do is stop doing wrong to other people. Then God will have his own award for you. But if you continue gossiping and spreading rumors about somebody, God will just look away from your side because he doesn't need anybody like that in heaven. He will not help you. My mother has never done anybody wrong. Never. So she's been blessed, as you can see. You people are saying, yeah, she's wicked. No, she's been blessed by God. That is it. Maybe you should learn from her, listen to her messages, listen to what she has to say, because her voice is supported by God. Listen to God's will. My mother is just helping everybody. It's not like she's selfish, that she's here successful. She doesn't want to tell you guys how she did it. She's spreading her success. She's trying to help everybody equally. But if you want to take it, you take it. If you don't want to take it, it's your own cup of tea. My mother did her own. She's successful. She will always be successful as long as she lives because she is a good person. And I'm standing here for her because I cannot take it anymore. All those rumors. You think my mother would be this successful if she did that? Don't you see people would die? People die because of that. Just leave her alone. Let her rest. And go and mind your own business. Go and mind everything. Go and mind your own life. To whoever it might concern. You know I'm talking to you. If you know I'm talking to you, go and change. And if you really want to continue this, call her name. Go live. I don't know, make a video, call her name, and let's see. If you think she really did that, if you're so sure, if you really want to bring her down, you want to pull her down to your level, call her name. Let us know that you really, really, really want her downfall, and we'll see what will happen. Things like this, you just do it. And let's see who is in the wrong, who is in the right. Because I know all those jealous people, all those jealous rats, I'm sorry what I'm saying, but I have to let you guys know what you are doing is not good. And you will not, you don't have to expect God to bless you now after you have after your attempts of ruining somebody else's life who God has blessed, shine blessing over. People with good hearts always suffer, and I don't know why. People with a good heart, they will always suffer because people don't accept their God. They don't accept God's will. Why are you guys trying to interfere in God's will? So you don't have respect for God. You don't respect God. You want to interfere in God's will, in God's hands. You want to change my mother's destiny because of your selfish interest, because of your selfish ways, because of your envy. You want to pull her down. You want to destroy her spirit. If you know I'm talking to you, better go and change. Wait for God to bless you. Wait for your turn. Stop being selfish and jealous. Let people rest. Let people live and focus on your own life. There's no such thing. Why would you spread such rumors? Go and take care of your own children. Go and take care of your own family and leave this family alone. Because there's nothing we did to you. There's really nothing we did to you. Share this video so the people who are talking, who are using their small mouth to spread those rumors, let them see this. My mother raised me to be this strong girl that I am now. If my mother didn't raise me to be this strong, if my mother wasn't strong, she wouldn't raise me in a way that I will be strong, that I have the power to talk to you guys now, to have the guts. I respect all of you, but if you go too far, if you step over your limit of spreading something, some things we just look over them, we don't care. But things like this, they're just going too far. Do you even hear yourself? Do you listen to yourself? How can you wake up in the morning, you decide to go and say, I'm sure Mabel Osifo, yes, Mabel Osifo, the way her big house, I'm sure she inherited from her dead husband. She killed her husband so she can have this house all for herself. How can you just wake up and think, wow, this is a good idea, I should spread this on the internet. Wow, I'm so smart. God will bless me after this, definitely. God will say, yeah, you did a great job ruining this woman's life. Wow. You think God thinks like that? I don't know how God judges, but I wouldn't bless you after such a thing. You wake up in the morning, your mind tells you, yes, I want to be successful, so I should ruin her life so she's not successful anymore, and I can be successful instead of her. Does that make any sense to you? If you listen to me now, do you think, does it sound smart? Does it sound like I don't know. Does it sound like something normal? It's not normal. Please, guys, it's enough. I don't want to see, after this, I don't want to see anything. Be a better person. Learn from my mother. Go and watch all the messages she has brought. Go and watch them because her voice will change your mind. Just listen very well. Don't do anything on the side. Just listen to what she has to say. Because my mother's words can change your life, can change your perspective of life. Please, let's all be good people. And God will have his blessings for us. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye.